eyebrows, glowing eyelashes, sparkling sneakers, and even a dazzling tongue? Let's make life shine! Watch our new video to learn amazing tricks to make you truly radiant! Today is the perfect day for some shiny experiments! Even Stephanie's eyebrows transformed thanks to sparkly stickers! Pick out a drawing of eyebrows in a sheet protector. Attach a piece of mesh fabric with tape. Cover the drawing with textile glue. Sprinkle on glitter. Use different colors. Decorate the brows with different kinds of glitter. When the glue dries, remove the fabric and cut out the sparkling eyebrows. Stephanie attached her eyebrows with eyelash glue. They're beautiful! Jessica notices her friend's sparkling eyebrows too. They make for some great photos, but you can make the effect even stronger. Jessica puts eyelash glue on the eyebrows, collects cosmetic glitter on the end of a brush, and adds some extra sparkle. Stephanie's followers will love her eyebrows with a double portion of glitter. Jessica also wants to shine bright like a diamond. She wants to be the dazzling star of her own life. Come on, Stephanie, help your friend out. Stephanie has an idea in her makeup bag. Jessica needs some starry eyelashes to make her eyes sparkle. Turn false eyelashes over. Glue small star-shaped sequins onto the lashes. Use eyelash glue and tweezers. Attach stars along the whole length of the lashes. Jessica carefully sticks on the lashes using special eyelash glue. How beautiful! The eyelashes are covered in stardust. Quick, let's take some cosmically beautiful photos. Jessica's eyes shine like the stars. The pictures are so radiant. While the girls were doing sparkly makeup, Dolly ran into some bad luck. She put on high heels and fell down. The delicate skin of her knees looks like the victim of a violent attack. It hurts badly. Come on, let's rescue our poor friend. Cover a cloth Band-Aid with fabric super glue. Attach a drop of sequins on top. Cover the whole surface of the Band-Aid. Trim the excess ribbon. Attach decorative foil to a second Band-Aid. Trim it to the size. Attach 3 heart-shaped rhinestones. Stephanie disinfects the wound, and Jessica distracts Dolly with the shiny Band-Aid. Who knew medicine could be so glamorous? Dolly's happy to heal her knees with such a beautiful bandage. You have a bright future, girls! This Band-Aid looks like a stylish accessory. Jessica is doing her makeup. And Stephanie has already leveled up her shine. She brought paint and a sponge. Stephanie mixes up a sparkling mass. Let's add sparkle to our tights. Get a pair of nylon tights. Pour fabric paint into a spray bottle. Add glitter. Close the bottle and shake it. Spray the paint onto the tights and spread it evenly with a sponge. Color the upper part of the tights with green paint. Create a gradient effect. When the paint dries fully, pull the tights onto a glass. Cut a crescent moon out of sequin fabric. Use fabric glue to attach it onto the tights. Decorate it with rhinestones and small sequins. Glue a shining star onto the second leg. The girls are busy creating. Let's add more glitter. Finally, we're done! These are tights from a new haute couture mermaid collection. Stephanie shows off the glittering moon and stars on her legs. What a bright result! Her knees have never been this radiant before. Jessica wants to add a sparkly accent to her clothes too. What's she planning? She'll improve her sneakers. Remove the laces from old sneakers. Prime them with acrylic polish. When the polish dries, paint flames with acrylic paint. While the paint is still wet, sprinkle on a lot of glitter. Outline the flames with a different color of paint and sprinkle on glitter. Paint the rest of the shoe tip black. Prime the rest of the sneaker and paint it black. Color the trim with a black and white design. Now the sneakers are way less gloomy and boring. They're all done. You can try them on. The sneakers' bright toes show off how brilliant their owner is. They're shining. When you wear these, you can't stay still. Stephanie filmed the bright sneaker dance. We're all glitz and glam around here. Dolly watches her friends' brilliant antics. She also wants to keep up with trends and get rid of her dull life and add shine instead. Be careful! Beginning Operation Glow! Coat the seam of jeans with fabric glue. Spread it with a brush and attach a ribbon of sequins. Glue the ribbon along the whole length of the jeans. Make 2 more strips. Glue a wavy decoration out of different sequins on top. Repeat the straight sequin line on the other pant leg. Done! Check out these shining jeans! Dolly loves the glittering effect! Thanks, friends! Now Dolly's long legs are sparkling! The girls are caught up in their glitter experiments. And Dolly doesn't know where to apply her talents. Suddenly, she gets a brilliant idea. Make her tongue brighter. Draw a tongue shape on fabric with color-changing sequins. Cut it out. Dolly puts the sparkling outfit on her tongue. What an unusual idea! Dolly's glamorous tongue makes everyone so happy. We need to take a picture with this unique accessory right now. Her shiny chameleon tongue can change color. Dolly can show the whole world her tongue. After using so much glitter, regular makeup looks so boring to Jessica. No sparkle whatsoever, but Stephanie suggests making sparkling mascara. We just need a pinch of glitter. Remove the wiper from an old tube of mascara. Thoroughly wash the tube in the brush. Mix the Vaseline with a lot of cosmetic glitter. Melt it in a microwave. Mix it. Collect the mixture in a syringe and transfer it into the mascara tube. Put the wiper back in. Close the mascara. Wrap the tube with nail art foil. Make a cut along the cap. Cover the top of the cap with glue and sprinkle on glitter. Glue on decorative wings and apply the glittering mascara. Jessica's eyelashes are so shiny. She looks like a magical fairy. Jessica loves the new mascara. Stephanie happily gifts it to her friend to make sure Jessica will always look bright and sparkly. We're all done with our glitter laboratory. The girls made this world a little brighter. To thank them, Dolly gives her friends cookies. Don't eat yet! We need to disinfect our hands first. Dolly gets out some hand sanitizer in a glowing case. Spread out polymer clay and wrap a hand sanitizer bottle in it. Put a holder ring into the clay. Remove the bottle. Bake the case for 7 minutes at 355 degrees. The clay should stay a little soft. Trim the excess and even out the shape. Cover the case with double-sided sequin fabric. Trim the fabric to fit. Glue the edges inside. Cover a lobster clasp with Mica Flakes nail polish. Hang a tassel. Attach the clasp to the case's ring. Put the hand sanitizer inside. The girls sanitize their hands. And notice the sparkling accessory. What a glamorous way to stay hygienic! Dolly made the case herself. Her glitter lessons went to good use. Great work, Dolly! Now we can enjoy some cookies! Did you like our ideas for making your life a little brighter? Then let us know in the comments about which glitter life hack you liked best. And don't forget to give this video a like. Subscribe to our channel and click on the bell so you don't miss new brilliant ideas from Troom Troom.